Second, can I actually just share a Chrome tab? I actually want to see this. Now, if I go into a window capture and I say OK, and then I say this, and then I just do this. Now it does seem like I can only just share Chrome tab. Yeah, that's a lot better actually, because now what happens here? Let's actually I can take away the browser URL part. Yeah, far better. And the bottom part, I can expand it a little bit more. Yeah, yeah, this is good. So unnecessarily sharing my entire screen, that is the wrong. Okay. Hey Mahin, how you doing, bro? Oh, nice, nice. Hey, Dark Blaze, Kshitij, how you doing? Today, the internship call that I had, I think I'm getting to a point where I will be able to showcase my intern's progress on my channel. I hope to do that very soon. Now, but the problem is that you guys are not able to see the chat now, are you? Okay, so let me see this. Let me try to fix that as well. So if I add another window capture, okay. Oh, not this. Um, let me add another window capture, and I'll say chat, and then I'll do this. Okay. Mm, Probably I can shrink this down a little bit now. You guys can see the chat, right? Okay. Mm, Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it, gang. We ball. Nice, nice. That will be nice. Maybe I get to learn something from intern video. Yeah. Yep. One of the interns, Manish, he's actually doing really well these days. I'm like putting my hopes on him. Hey Shadow Slayer, I just started the stream, bro. So nothing really. Nothing's cooking right now. All I did is that I can now open up Discord, and I can open up whatever window I want behind the browser, because right now I'm only sharing the browser window now, not my entire screen. I've been afraid for a long time. I don't know what I will end up exposing on screen that I have or may have, like a client work or code base or whatever. So I've been worried about it for a long time. Today I just thought, fuck it, let's do it. So now OBS will take care of only sharing this screen that you're seeing right now. What's in the stream today? Anything planned? Not really. Not anything planned. I'll just see what I can watch. If you have something in mind, do let me know. Otherwise, I don't have anything planned. Anyway, we can talk to interns or make it to know the roadmap that they are following. Well, that is on them. I will leave it up to them. On my Discord server, you can talk to them. Yeah. Anastand, you also see him in the chat. So he is one of the interns. So you can ask him or you can talk to him however you want. Or hire them. Who knows? I wouldn't say that they are completely job ready, but there are two people who I can vouch for. But this would be again too early to say. How do you pay for YouTube Premium? Does it include YouTube Music too? Yes, yes. It does include YouTube Premium. It does include YouTube Music. Also, it's not that expensive, bro. YouTube Premium India prices is like 1200 rupees for an entire year. Let me search. YouTube Premium price for India. So individual plan is 150 rupees a month or 89 rupees per month for the student of Premium Lite, or annual plan you can just get it, which is, here it is, 1500 rupees per year. 1500 per year is actually nothing if you really think about it. Just 1500 rupees. That's like 100 rupees, 100 to 25 rupees a month. Like 100 rupees a month. That's nothing, bro. Absolutely nothing. And they also support one-time payments. So it's not like you're gonna have to buy a subscription. No, you can just pay it with UPI, just like that. Pay it for an entire year and just enjoy on YouTube without ads. Brave anyway blocks ads, but I mostly pay for YouTube Music. Yeah. I actually have a two-factor authentication going on. I use Brave browser as well, and then YouTube Premium. I want to learn and get hired too. I'm running out of time. Nobody is running out of time, bro. It's nothing. It's never too late. It's never too late. What should we watch? Give me a video idea, video ID. I'm sorry, and we'll watch that. Let me see what Theo is up to these days. Claude watermarks your code now.
One of the most frustrating things about AI.
And you know what are the most frustrating thing about Theo? Is that simple videos take 30 minutes to shoot. It's like, do you really need 30 minutes to shoot a video? It's like crazy now. This is like Moist Critical level of yapping. But even Moist Critical keeps it under like 10 minutes or whatever. But Theo is like, nah, I have to yap about it for 30 minutes.
That does not need to have the same level of...
Oops. Wait a second. Let me connect a Bluetooth earphone. Hey, childhood nostalgic dose. How you doing, bro? I'm doing fine. There are apps like OpenTune and stuff that allow you to log in a YouTube account and hear music for free. I don't think that I'm gonna go through all that hassle just so I can save some money. I'm not in that stage of my life anymore. If I would be if I was a college student like most of y'all, but I don't mind spending a little bit of money for a little bit of convenience. And that's not me flexing money. Please shut up. Hey Dilpreet, how you doing, bro?
like transparency and encoded metadata proving that in these two images. One of these, if you think you can, you're lying, because the compression in the video, range of data that can be changed before a human notices a difference. This means it's easy to embed this type of metadata in an image, but it's also hard to do it in a resilient way because the compression algorithms are working around this fact that humans are bad at seeing the actual ones and zeros in the bytes. So there's a lot of hacks we can do to compress the files in order to save storage.
But then again, if I have a file that was watermarked by Claude and then I transformed that file into something else, Who's to say that that file should be watermarked or not? We don't have an answer to that yet, do we? That's like saying that if I made a painting, but then I signed it in the bottom right by my name, and then you looked at that painting and then you made it yourself with your paintbrush. Now, even though your painting is the exact same copy as my painting, but should it be watermarked? Yes, it should be. But will you? The choice is on your hands. The same thing is with files, isn't it? You can alter the created at, modified at, the file name, the metadata, or stuff like that, can't you? This is a gray area when it comes to watermarking whatever the Claude wants to watermark. Top right video suggestion. I know that person. Nice, nice. Good for you, man. I mean, he has company in Bangalore. I would hope so. Boba Bhai Burgers. I think I've seen the episode. Must have. Totally understand. I totally understand your POV for paying. Yeah, a little bit. For convenience, spending a little bit of money is not a huge deal. And by the way, I'm a YouTuber. If I use YouTube for free, I should be ashamed of myself. Like, here's this guy who's a YouTuber and takes away ad revenue and is not even willing to pay YouTube for the service. जिस थाली में खाओ उसी में हक दो type of situation, wouldn't it? Yesterday's vlog was actually fun. I was watching the vlog back a little bit because I wanted to see how the compression and how the playback was for you guys when you were watching it. It could be a little bit better, I feel like. It would never be as smooth as how it is on the Wi-Fi that I'm connected devices with. But if only the internet was that stable outside, then it would be so much fun to do Kolkata streams along with you guys. That would be like literally fun. I thought of subscribing for Spotify. Don't. Don't subscribe to Spotify. I have used it for 1 year and it's a trash service. I do not understand how people are paying money to Spotify. Get YouTube Music. It's so much better than Spotify. You know, the first time I bought a yearly plan for a music application, that was Wink Premium. Wink Music, sorry. I don't know how many of you know about Airtel Wink Music. This is the application that I paid money for. How much is it? Download the app. Where's the pricing? There's no pricing involved here. Very, very nice. Very nice. This is the app that I bought the first year. Airtel decided to shut down the Wink Music app and transition users towards exclusive Apple Music offers. Previously, it ranged from 99 rupees a month to 49 rupees a month. Yeah. Then I cancelled that. Then I got Spotify for 1 more year. I got Spotify for 1 year. Trash service. Cancelled that and then stuck to YouTube. And previously 2 years I've been paying for YouTube Premium. It's a lot better deal. Lot better deal that you get. They stopped Wink now, I think. Yeah, they did. Kolkata vlog stream, seafood, fish, etc. Yep. It would have been fun. It could have been fun. Meh, anyway.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome to today.
By the way, the other video that I did about the interns, and then I saw Louis Rossmann, and I was like, yeah, that video unintentionally had some Louis Rossmann vibes going on. And every time I watched that video, I'm like, I did not even think of Louis Rossmann while I was shooting that video. But what happened. Can somebody confirm me one thing? Is that you are able to see other people chats in the window right here, right? The left hand side chat that I'm seeing, you're able to see it, right? Wink, I have used it. Spotify quality is bad and recommendation is bad. Bro, the entire app is bad for Spotify. They constantly have feuds going on with certain music publication companies, and they end up pulling their songs. Like entire artists or entire genres get taken away from Spotify, and I'm like, ah, fuck this. Whatever beef you've got with music label companies, I should not be bothered by it. That's not the customer's problem. So I'm gonna go to a platform that gives me all the content that I want to consume. Therefore, YouTube. Oh no, you can't. Nope, we cannot. Oh, I can't see the chats in the stream. What the hell, dude? Uh, 1 second. Window capture. What the hell? Let me Google it. 1 second. OBS cannot detect streamer bot chat window for window capture. Native integration as it has a URL, a custom doc instead. Oh, now I see. Now I see. Uh, Overlay. Copied. 1 second. Let me add browser source. Browser. Create new chat overlay. URL would be this. Okay. Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Hmm. Would not work. Fuck it. Window capture, let's turn it off. Display capture, let's turn on. Yeah, what can we do, man? What can we do? No problem. Let's close it. Yeah, this is a lot better. That combined chat, okay. Yeah, yeah. Goo Gaga. Yeah, sure, Natwalal. We can see all the chats in YouTube stream built-in chat. Nah, that's not it. That's not it. That's not the chat window I want you to pay attention to, because somebody can come to Twitch and they want to like add to the conversation. So you should be able to see what the people on Twitch are saying. Not that anybody is on Twitch right now. Yeah, nobody is on Twitch. Can you check out the AI paradox video by the front-end master and tell me opinion on it? Front-end masters AI paradox. I have made a paradox video. This one, this is like 430 views.
द AI पैराडॉक्स 10-15 मिनट हम ये डिस तो डू चेक दिस के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। और आज के टाइम पे देखो, कुछ टाइम पहले तक ना इंजीनियर्स के पास जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी वो थी टू राइट कोड, बट अब वो प्रॉब्लम चली गई है। ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ बहुत आती थी जब मैं
Nahi bhai, the problem was not the writing code problem, it was a skill issue. How the fuck is. Ugh. People are acting like as if people did not even exist back then who wrote code. It took time. That was the problem. Time was the issue, not the labor aspect of it. That, oh my god, I have to sit on a computer and tap keys all day. No, that was not the issue. The issue was that if your manager walked in and then they said that, oh, okay, this feature you see, yeah, this feature will work a little bit differently. And now for that little bit differently incorporated in the system, you had to rebuild the whole system from scratch. That was the problem, the time. This is why like I question these people's credibility whenever they start talking shit. Ugh. Have you watched Typecraft latest videos? I have. That guy, he came back to YouTube, isn't it? I saw. That was not the issue. Anyway.
रिएक्ट एप्लीकेशंस पे काम करता था, मुझे पूरा सॉल्यूशन पूरा फ्लो पता था, पूरा सॉल्यूशन पूरा कोड मेरे माइंड में था कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे डेटा फ्लो करेगा। मुझे लिखना पड़ता था भाई, एकदम बोरिंग काम लगता था। रिड्यूसर बनाओ, एक्शंस बनाओ, सारी चीज़ों को बाइंड करो और फिर ब्राउजर में लाके चला के देखो। अब वो सब मुझे नहीं करना पड़ता, मैं बस बता देता हूँ मुझे ये काम करना है और एक्जैक्टली जैसा मैं गाइड करता हूँ मुझे वैसा ही आउटपुट मिलता है। तो आज के टाइम पे मुझे कोड के बारे में नहीं सोचना पड़ता। पहले हमारे पास कोड जेन टूल्स थे, कोड स्निपेट्स कह लो, जो हमें छोटे छोटे स्निपेट्स जनरेट करके दे देते थे, बट वो हमेशा काम में नहीं आते थे क्योंकि वो बस एक टेम्पलेट को फॉलो करते थे। आज के टाइम पे हम बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं। मुझे बस बताना है भाई, मुझे ये फीचर ऐड करना है, ये है यूआई, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का कोड मिल जाता है। तो आज के टाइम पे जो तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस है एटलीस्ट कोड के मामले में वो मैटर नहीं करता, क्योंकि इतने सारे प्री बिल्ड इंस्ट्रक्शंस और स्किल्स अवेलेबल हैं कि अगर मैं भी वो स्किल्स यूज करूं, तुम भी वो स्किल यूज करो, तो सेम ही कोड का आउटपुट मिलेगा। तो आज के टाइम
Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, fuck this guy. I'm already getting pissed. To be honest, for now, I think people like Frontend Master at NPC. He has 91k subscribers. 91k subscribers. And the video has 400 views in 11 hours. Bro, that is shameful. The exact opposite. 19k subscribers I have. And my video did how many views? It's been 12 hours? No? More than that. 18 hours ago, and I have done more views. I should not be flexing my YouTube viewership. I'm nowhere. But if you compare the channel size and the subscriber size, yeah, it does make you wonder. 11 hours, this guy got 400, not even 500 views in 11 hours.
पे योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल्स डोंट मैटर एट ऑल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोड। अगर तुम कुछ बना रहे हो, प्रॉपर स्किल्स यूज कर रहे हो, तो सेम ही कोड आउटपुट तुमको देखने को मिलेगा। नो
नहीं जी।
ऐसा क्या था, ऐसा क्या हुआ जो मैं इस सेशन को आज ले रहा हूँ? तो कुछ टाइम पहले तक मेरे पास बहुत कम पीआर्स आती थी कोड रिव्यू के, हो ही जाता है। मेरे जो कमेंट्स होते हैं जनरली एक्स्ट्रा कमेंट्स रिमूवल या फिर नेस्टेड टर्नरीज, इन सबको रिमूव करने के ही ज्यादा कमेंट्स होते हैं। फंक्शनैलिटी वाइज चीजें एकदम सही चलती रहती हैं। तो जब मैं एक दिन कमेंट डाल रहा था, आई थॉट कि यार ये कमेंट क्या डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि सी फंक्शनैलिटी सही चल रही है, कोड एआई मैनेज कर रहा है, तो क्या कोड क्वालिटी सच में मैटर करती है? तो मुझे ना दो आंसर मेरे अंदर से ही आए। नंबर वन, कि अगर कल को मुझे इस कोड में काम करना पड़ा और किसी भी रीजन की वजह से क्लॉड या कोई भी एजेंट डाउन है, तो मुझे काफी टफ टाइम लगेगा इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में। दूसरा जो आंसर मेरे अंदर से आया वो ये कि अगर कभी मैं इस कोड को एआई एजेंट्स को फीड करूंगा तो मेरे टोकन्स एक्स्ट्रा लगेंगे। तो यही दो रीजंस उस टाइम पे आए कि हाँ भाई चलो मैं कमेंट को ऐड कर देता हूँ। अब कुछ पॉइंट्स अबाउट बैड कोड, कि बैड कोड है क्या। टर्नरीज, स्पेशली नेस्टेड वंस, लॉन्ग फंक्शंस, हार्ड टू रीड वेरिएबल नेम्स, मिसिंग नल चेक्स। अब अगेन देखो, अगर तुम सारा काम एआई से करवा रहे हो तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स मैटर नहीं करते।
That's bad code, according to this guy. This tells me that how much of a teacher this guy is. This tells me the number one symptom of a bad code is that it doesn't work. Simple as that. That's the simplest explanation of a bad code. It doesn't work. Second, it takes way more memory and space than it needs. It's like order of what? Order of n by 2. Sorry, not n by 2. Order of n square. Or order of exponential whatever that it takes to run. That's bad code. Optimization's not in place. Bad integrations. But according to this guy, what is it? No. It's actually ternaries. It's long functions. Bro, who the fuck cares about long functions? You want to write a function of 500 lines, go write it. But if it runs fast, what the fuck do I care? That's not bad code. Hard to read variable names. You yourself said that you're using AI models to write code. And what is bad code now is hard to read variable names. Why do you care? The AI model can figure it out what the variable naming is. Missing null checks. Bro, missing null checks, this is like, oh man, I'm convulsing inside. This is what a teacher sounds like. This is why I say if you sell a course, stay in your lane. Don't try to get into the lane of talking about how production engineers or SVs work in companies. Don't get into this lane. Stick to your course selling and stick to that. That's it. Shut up. How to root variable names. Like, what does that mean? It's like should work, clean, easy to understand, optimization. Actually, optimization is actually over like clean, easy to understand. I am willing to sacrifice clean, easy to understand if the code is highly optimized. Just a personal thing. I I will improve myself as an engineer to understand code a lot better, but like practicing reading complex code and making out what it is in my mind. But I would rather have optimization in place first. This guy is frustrating me. Front end, I don't get it. Their design are not so good either. I don't know how they claim themselves to be masters. I know, right? Anybody can, any Tom, Dick, and Harry can jump in and call themselves the masters. These people are the one who does the basic work, like all the build shit, to-do list. They want to work on core system where you need theoretical knowledge or understanding. The whole PPT also looks vibe coded from AI. Yeah, it does. It does. It does. Nobody's putting this much effort into color coding and the alignment and stuff like that. You can already tell that this is AI generated. Yeah, it does feel like that. Long function. What's long? Yeah, exactly. What is the definition of long? How many lines does a function have to have before you start labeling it as long? It's like fucking stupidity. Hey C++, amazing. How you doing, bro?
करते हैं अगर तुम खुद से कर रहे हो मैनुअल कोड कर रहे हो मैनुअल बग फिक्स कर रहे हो तो भाई मुश्किल में पड़ जाओगे अगर तुम ऐसे कोड में बग फिक्स करने निकले हो अब अगर कुछ मिनटों के लिए कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए तुम भूल जाओ कॉस्ट फैक्टर तुम्हारे पास अनलिमिटेड टोकन्स हैं तो भाई बैड कोड तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता जो भी कोड एआई लिखेगा प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट करवा लो तुम्हारे पास हर एक लाइन हर एक वेरिएबल की रीजनिंग होगी कि ऐसा काम किया क्यों है तो अब अगेन अगर मैं कॉस्ट फैक्टर को निकाल देता हूं तो भाई देयर इज नो सच थिंग कॉल्ड बैड कोड एज फार एज माई फंक्शनैलिटी इज वर्किंग फाइन जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं अगर वो सही से काम कर रहा है भाई कोड की किसी को नहीं पड़ी है तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है कि व्हाट्सएप का जो कोड बेस है क्या वहां पे कोड क्वालिटी फॉलो हो रही है कोई नहीं सोचता राइट तुम अमेजन फ्लिपकार्ट नेटफ्लिक्स यूज करते हो कभी सोचा
Simple as that. You don't think about it because you are not hired by those companies. How stupid is this? Now I'm yelling at the video now. Why would you, a simple Tom, Dick, and Harry, would think about if a certain company who hasn't even hired you is following code quality practices? Kabhi socha nahi. Fucking idiot. There's like 25 layers of processes that they have to follow before they can push any code to production. One single bug making it into the production can mean billions of dollars in damages for them. And we are not even talking about a legal compliance side of it, where they accidentally show the IP address of a particular user that makes it in production. They're gonna get sued for it. That's how the diligence is in companies. तुम कभी नहीं सोचते. Fucking idiot. Oh, there we go. There's the M dash. There's the M dash. Now we know what it is. What menu fixing is bad? He's creating security issues. The video looks insane. I missed the starting. No, it already is insane wherever you watch. Do you watch Syntax podcast? Not really. I'm not into software development podcast myself. For front-end and deep tech in general, I like the guys from Syntax. Recommend audience also to check them out. Okay, if you like them, then that's fine. But I don't. I don't want to listen to software developers yap about how great they are in software. Same reason I don't watch Theo, because he glazes himself a lot, and I'm not into that. Bro, is he high or something? If there is no bad code, then man क्यों से DSA मांगती है इतना code writing practice क्यों follow करने बोलती है? I know he's huffing his own farts. All front-end master thinks he's Theo. By today a lot is going to this. If you had to learn it, would you go through a syntax or just dive into project? I would study a little bit, but then project building, yeah, that would be.
सोचा है कि भाई उनने वेरिएबल का नाम ए रखा है या फिर गेट डेटा रखा है, कोई ये चीज़ नहीं सोचता। तुमने बटन पे क्लिक किया, जो एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट था, आउटकम था, तुमको मिला, वेल दैट्स मोर देन इनफ। सो
Because you're
आज
a
के टाइम पे
customer.
फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग कोड की जो प्रायोरिटी है ना वो जीरो है। थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने ये लाइन बोली थी, योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल्स डोंट मैटर एट ऑल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोड। वेल अब तुम इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोड को हटा सकते हो। कंपनीज के लिए योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल्स डजंट मैटर एट ऑल। अगर तुम काम को डिलीवर कर पा रहे हो, वेल तुम्हारी वैल्यू है। अगर तुम काम को डिलीवर नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो भाई
This is where I would like to disagree as well. He is right in terms of startup and service sector companies. If you're a service sector company, you literally do not give a fuck about code. And that is something I'm telling you, not for the AI era, I'm telling you the previous era also. Nobody cared in service sector companies what the quality of code is. But product based, yeah, they do. There is a good reason that product based companies pay the money that they do. Because they do give a shit. They do take rounds and rounds and rounds of interviews just to make sure that you're gonna write good code. So I disagree on that part. The experience does matter.
तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है। अब देखो आज के टाइम पे जो एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स है ना वो खत्म होती जा रही हैं। अब ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि अगर तुम खुद सोचो, अगर तुम एक अर्ली स्टेज में हो अपने कैरियर के, या फिर अगर तुम जब अर्ली स्टेज में थे तो तुम्हारा
Carrier, it's career. But anyway, carrier.
क्या काम होता था? कंपोनेंट्स क्रिएट करना, एक स्क्रीन क्रिएट करना, अगर बैकएंड में हो तो नॉर्मल क्रेड करना। अब ये जो सारी चीजें हैं ना, जो भी सीनियर बंदा है वो विद इन सेकंड्स कर सकता है, नॉट मिनट्स, विद इन सेकंड्स। तो अब ना तो उसको किसी को मैनेज करना है,
Within seconds. Oh man. This is making me laugh. This is making me laugh. I think this guy has an investment in certain AI company that he has to sit here and glaze. It's not actually his fault. He's trapped or something. He has money associated in some AI company. Maybe he's an investor. I don't know. Need some podcast recommendation from your side then, like for a long walk or gym, etc. Bro, I have done podcast. Listen to my podcast. That's insulting. TS as in TypeScript. Don't know TypeScript. That's don't know TypeScript. The video is nuts. Yep, met a guy who wrote a lot of work goes into cleaning up what the TCS contractors did for his company, not to shit on anyone, but aligns with your point. I know, right? Bro, this is the difference between somebody who works in the industry and somebody who's a teacher. This is the difference. He works as a tech lead in AI company. Yeah, it does seem like that. My AI live course, best front end resources, all these videos. I spent 7 months in agentic workflow at full throttle, shipped features, fixed bugs, built production products end to end with Claude. Then I noticed something nobody talks about. AI's biggest cost in the subscription. Now one more life-changing tool. The checkout never ends. Pro isn't enough. Max isn't either. Every plan has a ceiling below your ambition. Experience doesn't matter. Yet you still clear 2010 coding for your AI workflow. We hold a rocket and use it to staple bugs. We hold a rocket, huh? That's what he thinks AI is. It's a rocket. I turned the whole talk into a film. No 3 acts, no fluff, and the exact 8 topic syllabus that puts you ahead of 90% of devs. Does it though? Does it? No, it doesn't.
किसी जूनियर को ना तो टू एंड फ्रो
Hey Prabhu Play Games, how you doing, bro? Code Source's channel was to watch sometime, but Bud thinks it's PE की seconds में कर देते हैं. I think his sponsorship is that Kane CLI AI thing. That's why. Could be. Bro, have you checked out the Twitter algorithm being published? I did. I was actually thinking about getting Twitter Premium to make some money off of my Twitter post, but then I saw the new criteria that they have involved. Like you have to have 10 million impressions in 3 months, something like that. They have said. So I was like, nah, fuck this. I don't wanna. Hey Divyanshu, ये भी AI ने लिखा है. See, feels like it. How do you balance between learning features or syntax like building things? It always baffles me. I don't know why. TypeScript is easy, bro. TypeScript is not that tough. Once you figure it out, you will be like, holy crap, it was a lot easier than I thought.
थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन। इसी वजह से जो एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स हैं वो थोड़ा सा शेकिंग वे में है, थोड़ा सा वहाँ मैटर खराब है। अब यहाँ पे मैं कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस और स्किल मैटर नहीं करता, तो फिर फ्रेशर को क्यों नहीं हम जॉब दे रहे हैं? तो यही है पैराडॉक्स। पैराडॉक्स क्या है? वेल, तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस मैटर नहीं करता, बट अगर तुम इंटरव्यू में जाओगे तो अभी भी तुमको कोडिंग चैलेंजेस मिलेंगे, अभी भी लैंग्वेज फंडामेंटल्स।
I tell you why that matters. I tell you why seniors are still getting preferred. Because at the end of the day, a company is investing money in you. And if the company is willing to invest money in you, why wouldn't they ask for better experience? Why wouldn't they ask for experienced engineers? Previously, there's a supply and demand thing, sure, but then on a fundamental level, companies who are willing to pay you a salary do need some skills out of you right away. That's why.
तुमसे पूछा जाएगा, अभी भी
Hey,
तुमसे
Anand.
वो एक मशीन कोडिंग राउंड करवाएंगे, कोई सिस्टम डिजाइन राउंड होगा, तुम्हारा एआई वर्कफ्लो चेक किया जाएगा। अगर तुम ये चारों ब्लॉक्स पास करते हो तभी तुम्हें जॉब मिल पाएगी। अगर तुम एक फ्रेशर हो, एआई का यूज करके तुम बहुत बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट्स बना सकते हो, तुम लास्ट ब्लॉक को क्लियर कर जाओगे। बट व्हाट अबाउट 3? अगर तुम एक्सपीरियंस्ड हो, माइट भी तुम तीनों ब्लॉक को पास कर लो, बट व्हाट अबाउट 4? तो आज के टाइम पे अगर तुम्हें जॉब क्रैक करनी है तो तुम्हें ये चारों ब्लॉक्स क्रैक करने पड़ेंगे।
Nahi. No, you don't have to. I would say that approach to getting a job has changed. This is a question that I really ask myself. Like, if I was a 2026 graduate, just like any of you, or if I was in college right now in 2026, what would I do? First thing that I think that I would be scared. I would not find a YouTuber like me who can put me at ease. First of all, I would know that. I would be scared of YouTubers saying this and saying that, but at some point I would get frustrated and being like, maybe YouTubers are here to sell their things and all their goal is to get a view out of me or watch time hours out of me. I would realize that. But then what would I do? Like, YouTube sorted. I had to deal with my teachers and my friends. Obviously, friends is the biggest one. I don't think that the effect of YouTubers is as big as 4 of your friends who are completely freaked out about what AI is going to do to jobs. You can ignore what everybody online is saying, but you cannot ignore the people in your direct circle, what they are saying. You can't ignore. Or should I say, it is much more difficult to ignore. Aptitude and reasoning need luck. Not really. He works in a company named TestMu. Yeah, I can see that. Copy links give more boost to post on Twitter. Yeah, but they catch you copying to tweets, man. They catch you doing that. Yeah, I start learning TypeScript, but then every tutorial starts with basic types and all that. Then it gets boring and I stop. No. Build something and then learn from it. Build a simple website, then learn from it. Rather, I would be better to use full throttle using AI, then build a small project, then build a backend. Keep AI out. Well, yesterday I had interview at first round MCQ based and company didn't mention the tech stack, just mentioned software trainee. And then they asked advanced Java thread programming question. It was hard. As I hope they would. Were you able to crack it or what happened? Only people making enough money from X that can sell their soul, ask some controversial thing, create divide so that people fight, or you have to be a big distribution through YouTube or example already and some reputation. Yeah, agree to that. Fair. Yeah, they are very hard. Okay. Right, let's continue.
नाउ एक और क्वेश्चन उठता है, क्या लर्निंग इंपॉर्टेंट है? तो इस पे जो मेरा टेक है वो है ये, अगर तुम फ्रीलांसर हो, तुम्हें लर्निंग की जरूरत नहीं है, कोड एंड कॉन्सेप्ट। अगर तुम खुद के प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हो, यू कैन स्किप लर्निंग। अगर तुम अपनी
You're saying that you're a freelancer, you're judged on output, not syntax. I don't know how I feel about that. Syntax does create a good output, so why wouldn't you care about that? Anyway.
कंपनी में 2-3 साल टिकने वाले हो, यू कैन स्किप इट। बट अगर तुम जॉब स्विच करना चाहते हो, तुम्हें सीखना ही पड़ेगा, देयर इज नो अदर वे। और अगेन, अगर कभी तुम्हारा क्लॉट डाउन हुआ, तुम्हें अगर कोडिंग करना आता है, तुम्हारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर है, वेल तब तुम अपना काम इजीली कर पाओगे। तो तुम डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि तुम किस
I think that companies don't pay you for having skills. I think company pay you the big dollar because they want to place their trust in you that you would be able to circumvent your way around the bad days of the system. Let's say that you're a developer who has like 2 years experience, but then you have such detailed experience for AWS, DigitalOcean, and stuff like that, Kubernetes, let's say, that if the system goes down, then you can bring it back up. But then you have a 10-year experienced software engineer and production goes down, and then he ends up deleting the production database. Why would a company keep them? I think that's what matters. You're not hired for your best skills. You're hired for your skills that they're going to use on their company's worst days. What you can do with that. That is, it does carry a paradox. Like, how would people learn how to circumnavigate their way around production outages if we never give them the chance to, or if we never give them the access to? That's a good question. But again, there are some things that the industry is not getting right. Bro, this is the most brain dead advice. Basically saying vibe code everything, rage bait hai, rehne do. Yeah, it does feel like that. I am no one, cost of AI, blah, blah, blah. Piss off. Accountability. Yeah. No, accountability everybody has. If you're hired by a company, you have a certain sense of accountability, I would say. What should we watch now? How to personalize hundreds of cold emails using Claude. Full workflow. Let's see.
If you have used Claude to write cold emails, you would know how AI generated it actually looks like. The same kind of email your prospects finds in their inbox every single day. Also, have you noticed this? Like all day, it guesses what's coming next. And when something matches the guess, it turns the volume. Let's begin. So you start with a raw list of companies in a Google Sheet. So these are the few things you would need in order to build this workflow. So make sure you have the MCP, the basic account for all these platforms here. Now this entire workflow, what will happen is it will do research and qualify for every company, write personalized custom lines, then generate personalized gamma pitch deck for selected leads, write everything back in.
If you're generating, where is the personalization coming in? Write a personalized custom line. Fuck off. This is nope, I couldn't. AI failed my interview as well. Multiple people sitting and kicked me after half an hour. I mailed them regarding this. Oh. Build Express like package in TypeScript. It helps you to learn enough TypeScript. Should we learn AI or should we learn MERN or Java Spring Boot in the normal way without using AI? Second part, bro. Second part. Without using AI. Many good companies are still looking for core devs. They ask to write syntactically correct in running code without AI. There is no other way except DSA to approve a candidate practical understanding. Kind of, yeah. Said when someone says experienced candidates are preferred, what's the experience range they are talking about? 3 years plus, I would say. 3 years plus. That's the sweet spot. 2 to 4 years, that is the sweet spot. Companies want you the most. That's invalid now. Claude watermarks everything. Quite fucked situation right now. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. You can get rid of the watermark. Very easy. Job portal are dead. Only ref works. Bro, Rhythms, you are on something else, man. Said, do other senior engineer at your level also feel the AI fatigue? Like the passion for the craft is fading because you're just clicking accept all. I recently saw Brett Code's video. I don't know if you saw. No, I didn't see Brett Code's video. Wait a second. Are you talking about the guy who said that I'm done with AI coding? That's the title of the video, right? No, I'm not exhausted of coding. If anything, exhausted of AI, sorry. If anything, I titled my video very purposefully that I use AI daily, and that is why I am not afraid of it. I see the pitfalls in AI left and right, bro. The thing is that I can only preach for so long what the problem is with AI on YouTube. But when money is involved, when actual stakes are involved, when stakeholders are involved, and that's when the AI tools fail, that causes a lot more problems than if it didn't exist in the first place. I can tell you that. The major problem with these tools are not willing to take the responsibility that they have put themselves up for. They claim that they can take this responsibility, code review responsibility, synchronization responsibility, management responsibility, but they are not honed in for them yet. They're not ready for them, at least on a massive scale. And this is where the business aspect comes in. Companies have to make money, so they're gonna have to make money with whatever that they have created, right? And they're gonna have to keep using it, hopefully, to keep making money. That's the problem. AI companies actually cornered themselves into taking too much responsibility on their shoulders that they cannot possibly deliver on. Hey, let's go. That's a tweet. I'm coming up with my own tweets these days. That they are in no way. There we go. YouTube is blocking my comment. भैया मेरे लास्ट ट्वीट पर ट्रैकिंग अच्छा आया, but most people are interpreting as hate towards the creators. No, I am hating those creators. I am. I have tried to specify that my issue is spoon feeding, but क्या करूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Don't think that the world is so small that it revolves around you. Give it couple weeks, everybody will forget. The world is a lot bigger than that, bro. I hate my Wi-Fi wala. Any important pointers come to my notice which can help me get in clarity? Or they take out their star card or backend sync problem. I have 3.5 years of experience getting good opportunities for job switch, but next month I have hike. So I will take that hike and then switch. Of course, that is the smart thing to do. You are literally in the sweet spot. C++ is amazing. You're literally in the sweet spot. 5 years, the first 5 years of your career, take as much hike and switch as possible. Take the offer letter of the next company and still keep interviewing to see if you can get yet one more hike, because you're gonna lose it after 6 years. When you pass that experience, you're gonna lose this. It's gonna go away. So take the hike as much as possible. Take the hike from current company, then switch, still keep giving interviews, then once again switch, and then see what you want to do after that. Do you want to still switch after that, or do you want to stay at the salary that they have offered? Avinash Kumar Mehta, welcome back, bro. New models are good though, but yeah, good models eat too much credit. Yeah. My final technical round is scheduled for tomorrow for Siemens. Siemens? That's crazy, bro. Previously, Germans took my interview for different business, but they hired someone else, so they referred me to different business. That's nice. That's nice. Bro, check out PS Garg latest video thumbnail. What is wrong with this guy? What is like actually wrong with this guy? This is where we are headed, are we? This is the thumbnail that we are headed towards. Good. After using AI a lot in SW dev. Thanks for the advice, bro. Yes. 2 years in Kazakhstan and forget meme photo. मेरे को आदत नहीं इतने ट्रैक्शन की. For some reason नेगेटिव चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा रीच आती देन पॉजिटिव शेयर करने पे. Then get used to it. Get used to it. Social media is just 20 minutes of fame. Enjoy your 20 minutes of fame because it's gonna go away. That's it. You should try that thumbnail. Casual tweeting चल रही है. Yeah, obviously. Uh, hey, Private Fortune. Wait, क्या? After 5-6 years as an engineer, क्या होता है? Your hike potential actually stagnates a little bit. You do get hikes, but not as good hikes as you used to get back when you had 3-4 years, 2 to 4 years experience. 2 to 4 years experience is the sweet spot for you to jump 60%, 80%, 150% hikes. You can get that actually. Companies are willing to pay. In my last year of college and still confused between MERN and Java Spring Boot, don't know what to do. Any suggestion, bro? Still confused between MERN and Java. Bro, you're wasting time. Honestly, you are. You cannot come up with the excuse that I was confused between MERN and Java, so I ended up doing nothing. You can't come up with that. If anything, you should do both. You should do both. You are in your final year of college. Yeah, use it. Hey, null pointer exception. This Piyush guy, he teaches in the Chai code cohort, right? Yep. But क्यों? इसका logic क्या है? Even with promotions, there's less hike. No, because then you are seen as a little bit too senior to be given hikes to. That's what happens. 3 to 4 years, you're still a very energetic, young, willing to learn kind of guy. So you can use that to your advantage. And companies know that you're not a fresher. You actually have experience. So they're willing to pay you top dollar for that kind of talent. Don't think that your salary graph is always going to point upwards. Sometimes it does stagnate. At 9 years, 10 years experience like me, it does. There's a good reason that I switched into freelancing after corporate job. I took Hitesh and Piyush Udemy course. Instead of completing it, they launched other courses. Skill issue. Akshay Saini new AI course. Fuck that. AI tries to generate what we like as we navigate through prompting along the way, which is not good always. Doesn't generate as we want. We say it hallucinates. Used many AI harnesses, felt token anxiety, and then losing all point of sticking with programming. So started few personal projects in free version only for faster research and guidance. I would say get rid of that even. Get rid of that. Don't think that I'm going to use it for research. Get rid of AI altogether. If you stepped one step ahead, if you took the step ahead to take away AI model coding, then take another step ahead to take away the research as well. Is it because like after a point it makes sense to hire either someone in their own country or 2-3 years resources at lower price? Yes, sort of. Yeah. Hey Kesh Kanti, bro, what 2 years of daily 6 hours of CS can do? It can do a lot, but that depends what you are willing to do with it.
Alright, so hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about BDSM, Behavioral Detection Sequence Model. आपको क्या लगा? So इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करने वाले हैं about BDSM, which is an algorithm from the Twitter, and recently Twitter has open sourced their feed algorithm, their timeline algorithm, and हम इस वीडियो के अंदर देखने वाले हैं that
Start up. I feel like everyone should try a sort of AI detox for some project, otherwise you will burn and crash out very quickly. Bro, what have I been saying for the last 2 years, 3 years? What have I been saying? Life looks bleak when everyone around you suggests that programming is dead. I don't think that programming is dead. Programming is the farthest thing from dead. No, programming is not dead. You will see the comeback of programming in 4 years. Give it 4 years, you will see. Programming will go niche. Everybody will complain that they have access to all these AI tools. So technically they should be pushing out better products. They won't be able to. And then they will sit there scratching their head like, where did we go wrong? You'll see. Did you get the copyright from Jim's stream? Obviously I did. It was so many copyrights that I just let it be. I'm like, fuck it. If this stream doesn't make money, fuck it. The point is that we had fun. So if we had fun, then that's all that matters. How old are you, bro? 33. Hey Dave, how you doing, bro? Hey yo, both. Yes, both. You're in your final year of college. Don't run away with excuses. Nobody is asking you to do a PhD in those things. You should just learn. Bro, I'm thinking to make my old laptop on a proper VPS with Ubuntu server, and I'm gonna use Cloudflare tunnel to make it live in internet. Any suggestion? Why? Cloudflare tunnel is free already. Why why would you just why? Why? Bhai, yeah, but I was talking to a recruiter and she said they look at the greens on GitHub. Huh? No, that's a subjective thing. Only they look at the greens on GitHub. Not everyone does. Because there's a lot where I learn make notes and write shit locally. Random shit. Don't maintain a green graph just for the sake of cracking interview. Don't do that. If you want to push code to GitHub every day, yes, it is a good practice, but any recruiter that says that that's the criteria, they're a shitty recruiter to begin with. They don't know how to hire for tech. Please react on Real Talks 1. The hell is that? What gym stream? The stream that will be tonight and the one that was yesterday. You missed out, I think, Dave. Yesterday, 8:15 p.m., I did a stream, a workout stream in my gym. Right here. This one. Yeah. Yesterday I was working out, so I thought, why not stream this? Yeah. Tonight I will do that as well. Yeah, like if programming is dead, then leave, bro. Enough saturation already. I know, right? How do you increase your greens on GitHub? Ugh. That's a yucky thing to ask. No, you don't increase green on GitHub. You don't do that. No. Bro, but I have a doubt. If I resign, suppose next month, don't you think during November and December cycle there is shutdown and less hiring compared to starting and mid of the year? Then why would you wait that long to apply? Keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. You know what you can do actually? You can have 2 or 3 offers at the same time, and then you can use one offer letter to say to the other company that, look, this company is matching this salary. Are you willing to do it? Are you willing to up them a little bit? And then you go to the third company and then you say that the previous company offered me this much salary. Are you willing to give me more? Keep doing it. I'm not saying that you should do one interview and one company at one time. Keep things running in parallel. Think of it like an AI agent, job hunting AI agent. You are the agent yourself, and the goal is to achieve as much salary as possible. It's gonna take work. It's not gonna be easy. Don't get misguided here. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. But then when you get the salary, then you will thank yourself that you went through all the trouble of doing that. To host my server for free. Cloudflare tunnels is already free, bro. What is Real Talks 1? Real Talks 1. This doesn't look like a serious YouTube channel, bro. I'm sorry. Yeah, this looks like a... Yeah, this doesn't look like a serious YouTube channel. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sir, I'm currently learning backend using Node.js Express. Any tips to understand to not learn? What? Um, I am currently learning backend using Node.js Express. Any tips to understand, not learn? Your question itself is telling me that you're a very beginning learner. Just learn, bro. Just do what it takes. Just build things. Just, get through it. Get done with it. It's not that deep. You left Kolkata, right? Where did you relocate? Bro, I left Jharkhand. I left Jharkhand. I'm in Kolkata right now to host my server for free services. Hey, Stealth. Uh, but yeah, recruiters तो वही देखते हैं, and I've seen a lot of people like Pura Green cause they either too passionate or vibe coding. Obviously, I came to workout stream. Oh shit, you got copyright because of the background music. Yeah, I did. I mean, wasn't that obvious, bro? It was obvious that I'm gonna get copyright, and that's fine. Copyright doesn't mean copyright strike. It's a copyright claim. Content copyright claim. Yeah, copyright claim is different than copyright strike. Copyright strike is that if you receive 3 of them, your channel is dead. Your channel will be deleted. But copyright claim is that, hey, you can keep the video, but I'll take the money that your video will generate. That's what it is like. So it's not that serious. It's fine. Childhood, eat your greens. Adulthood, make more greens on GitHub. A shitty metric, by the way. Recruiters should focus more on. Yeah, exactly. I know, right? Listen, blended ethanol song. I actually haven't checked it out. Blended. I actually have not checked this out.
टोयोटा फिएट की गाड़ी अंदर इंजन की जाए सारी तेरे पेट्रोल से अच्छी यही i20 मेरे कार में भरी वो महिंद्रा मारुति गाड़ी अंदर इंजन की जाए सारी तेरे डीजल
Oops.
से अच्छी यही i20 मेरे कार में भरी मैं बेच रहा मेरा हो रहा अब तेल बना दूंगा मैं इस गन्ने को फ्यूल में मेरे ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल फ्यूल में मेरे ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल फ्यूल में मेरे ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल फ्यूल में मेरे ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल ब्लेंडेड एथनॉल
I wish that I could laugh at this, but the reality is that it affects all of us. And I have a petrol car and a petrol bike, not bike, scooty. So it affects all of us. I wish I could laugh. Do you earn from stream anyway? Does copyright matter on streams? Yeah, it does. It does. Anyway, like right now, this song that I just played, if I remove that, then yeah, it does collect ad revenue. But if I wish to keep that in the stream, then no, I won't be able to earn any money. Why do you think I keep telling you guys to join the membership, bro? So I can be free to play, or I can be free to show whatever I want. For my Wi-Fi. Oh man. I don't mean to flex on you, Prabhu Play Games, but look at this. I really don't mean to flex on you. But look at this. I have this going on. Yeah, अच्छा है यार. Freshers like me are getting increasingly confused and lazy, while more experienced people like recruiters and YouTubers are making money, making freshers dumber. Bro, what did I do, man? What did I do? I'm not making anybody dumb. I'm the most anti AI coding YouTuber out there. It's not that deep. That's what she said. Yeah, yeah. Not to me though. Could be you. Yeah. Go to his live podcast. Ugh. Played Factorio. Bro, you play Factorio. I have to give it to your guts, man. I don't have it in me to try Factorio. What if I end up liking it? Then my life is over, isn't it?
What is computer science? Is it the study of computation? Is it the reverse engineering?
You are. You set up a phone line between.
That's the case. So this is what's.
Thank you so much, C++, amazing. I don't know if gifting membership means that I receive anything, but thank you for that. Go to his laptop. Blender and goated, but might get copyright here. I'll remove it for your valuable feedback. Oh, is it my bad? It's not that deep. Yeah, अच्छा है यार. Meme Mandir is a G. Yeah, probably. What a sandwich. Bruh, now I'll just stop in advice taking and just build. 360 degree is just BS. Random advice, not his channel thing in general. And doing whatever. Said I'm from Nepal. Can I work in tech companies of India? Remotely? Yes, remotely you can. 100%. Why not? I don't see any reason you can't. I don't mean to flex on you, but let me flex on you. Sexy. Need tips from Sweet the OG. What he uses for editing, how much time to spend on able to do a good enough level of editing, side hobby plus potential freelancing maybe. I use DaVinci Resolve. Simple as that. If I show you a simple edit, I'll show you what my edits look like. I'll show you. So you get, even if you use like Premiere Pro or whatever, VSDC or CapCut or Final Cut Pro, you will have a good enough good enough understanding of what I do. So let me show you my last video actually. This is what it looks like. Yeah, right here, only a text node. Right here, 13 August 2026, I have written here a simple clip here, this one, yeah, and then a video clip right here, another text right here, a full-on big ass text, video right here, then a simple cut here, and then that's how I keep going. Added a photo up here for the tweet. After that, overlaid certain football related clips right here, but the audio is going on in the bottom part, and then comes the final right here, and then like this video is done. So this is what it looks like. A 10-minute video, it takes me about hour and a half, yeah. Watch tech startup Shark Tank. Really? That's a thing? Hey, Blue Notebook, I watched this video a few weeks back. I guess one random viewer becomes member. Yeah. I'm actually on, if you really want to flex, pre-order GTA 6. Nah, I don't want to flex that much, bro. Not you, obviously. Thanks. You will receive, said bro, it's the same as person taking membership. Oh, okay. I mean on-site. Yeah, that's does India allow people from Nepal to come to our country for work without any visa? Does Indian government allow people from Nepal to work on-site in India without visa? I think yes, our government does allow that. Yeah, they do allow. Right here, the Indian government allows citizens of Nepal to live and work on-site in India completely without a visa or work permit. So yeah, you can. See, now that I'm in Kolkata, all the recommendations in AI, they show Bangla right here. If I click that, yep, it does change. You were hiring an editor. Did you get one? Not really. No, I didn't. Go Linux said, yeah, one day, one day. Haven't you tried becoming a remote dev before freelance for a US UK company? Are you asking me? Then yes, I have, and I was. I was. Or are you asking null pointer exception? Don't you think that you need to make your videos more bright as a scene? It seemed darker, use some filter or make scenes bright. I actually don't, because I feel like dark mode videos are easy on the eyes. And it's mostly about the content of the video, not the scene, not the beauty. So I actually make it a point so that if you are at night, you are in the bed and you are watching my video, then it doesn't hurt your eyes that much. That's the thinking process. And if you're watching my video in the daytime, well, it doesn't become an eyesore. That's what my thinking is. CapCut I tried, but it's banned in India because Chinese software need to use proper VPN. Oh, using DaVinci Resolve, nice. Hey Karoz, yeah, it's open for Nepal. I have Nepali friends working. It happens. Hamba, hamba, rumba, rumba. What are the requirements for your editor? I don't know. Watch all my live streams, take out some funny moments, and create some meme template sort of videos based on the moments in my live stream. One of the things that I did yesterday was I made a joke about social media platforms suggesting you PDF file type of content. And that says more about you rather than the platform itself. Like, what were you searching? So I would want an editor to go in my last live stream, take that part out, and then create a funny type of meme template. Like, I want to use my shorts category. Like, I have home main channel uploads that will be educational, live streams just like that. I don't need anything editing going on there. And shorts, I need my shorts to be funny. And if an editor can pull off the funny shorts category, then I will shoot dedicated shorts content and I will purposefully make it funny because I have some scripts in my head that I want to get out. But I can't take a certain clip and I can't make it funny just like that. My jokes, they don't have like sound effects. I don't need laugh tracks. Let me be clear. I do not need laugh tracks. But you know, somehow when you use certain camera zoom ins and zoom outs or certain sound effects to make the joke punch harder, I don't know how to do any of those. I need an editor to do that. And given that you would be a YouTube Shorts editor, I assume that your expectation of compensation would not be that high because YouTube Shorts, they don't take that much time to edit. Now do they? What did they wanted? How can you get someone a remote role? Have you ever been in the rabbit hole of game dev? Not really. It's not the time just yet, bro. It's not the time. इस आदमी को फा वाला sound effect चाहिए. No, I can do that. But I cannot take a simple funny clip and make it more funny. I need the more funny aspect. You should add an edit comment feature so many times Google autocorrect mess up my words. Maybe. Bangla script looks like Egyptian script. No, it doesn't. How much are you willing to pay an editor? That actually depends. How much bandwidth they have over the course of a month. How many videos they can edit for me. How many live streams they're willing to dive into to find some funny content and then make content out of it. How many videos I can give them a month. So it would be like a culmination of those factors. And then I would want somebody to pitch me a number and then I would want to negotiate on that. I can't come up with a number myself because how much experience you have as an editor, that also matters. Because if you're a fresher, if you're a college student, you're just starting out, I assume that you're not gonna want that much money. But if you're somebody who has a studio team or whatever, Then yeah. Hey Sayush, I think Dave is interested. Nah, man, I'm employed. Yeah, I knew that Dave is not interested. He's an NIT student. He's an NIT student, man. So he's already like his talent is already top level. I would not want an NIT student to do video editing for me. Nah. And by the way, I'm not saying that my expectation is that some tier 3 jerk off will edit videos for me. No, I'm not saying that either. Don't extrapolate from what I just said. All I'm saying is that he's very well employed. I don't think that he needs this opportunity to work on. That's all. He's much better off thinking about something else and doing something else. Bro wants to get famous via memes. Yeah, I mean, why not? I mean, I used to make funny videos before. Then I stopped because I realized that my funny videos they don't do well with the algorithm. But I do want to make people laugh. I think that there is a comedy brain that I have got, and I want to use it. I want to make some content, funny content. 1 lakh per month. Yeah, sure. Why not, Sayush? I myself. Okay. Anyway, I'm not gonna comment on that. Could you technically have an AI agent go through the transcripts of your long form video and exactly potentially funny parts? That's gonna cost a lot of money and time, bro, and I don't have that. I once interviewed with a company for SDE tool which create highlights for sports match like IPL. Those highlights you see like 4 rupees of fours and sixes wickets. Oh, okay, okay. Did you do it? Got it, bro. Some of my friends do this kind editing for reels for restaurants and all. They usually ask 50K for 8 reels a month. Damn, bro. I don't have that kind of budget, sorry. ये edit करके पहला shot डालो tier 3 वाले video editor. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. You can be a freelancer who does this for a living, and then you're gonna have to propose a number to me. Well, here I'm not even tier 3. Well, skill issue. Watch Offensive City Plans. I actually watched that. Family friendly. What was that? What's the name? Family friendly something. I have watched that. Lol. One thing I can guarantee, one thing I will 100% make a stream about, I will do pet reviews. I will I'm in talks of buying land somewhere close by. When I build my own house on land, a bungalow style house, I am 100% getting a golden retriever, a German shepherd, and one cat. Or who knows, not just one cat, 2 cats. I'm getting these many. I can't like live by myself just like that. I know that my wife and my kid will cringe at me sometime, but at least there would be some animals in the house that would like me. So for my own mental health sake, thinking that at least somebody values me in the house, I'm gonna have to get pets. One golden retriever, one German shepherd, 100%, and a cat. That's happening. Peak humor. Said, how's the job market for web dev now? I don't have idea because I'm into C++ automotive software stuff. So want to know about that. Oh, I would say you should stick to automotive software stuff, bro. Don't get into web dev. It's a shit show. Compared to what you are seeing right now, don't get into this. It's a shit show. So will you catnap from the streets? The hell does that mean? I am a semi-rural guy, bro, with lots of skill issues. When did I? Glad to see still preferring humans. Most people will be like, try XYZ AI SaaS for creating shorts from vids. Nah, I'm not gonna use AI tools for that. Any philanthropic work you do? Bro, who the fuck do you think I am? I'm not a fucking billionaire just spending my Sunday on a stream. What do you think I am? Philanthropy. What the fuck? Let me look up what philanthropy even is. What is philan? What is philanthropy? Philanthropy means the love of humanity. Huh? It's the practice of giving money, time, or skills to help other people and improve the world. A person who does this is a philanthropist. Bro, love of humanity, does that mean like participate in orgies? Or I don't know. What does that mean? Practice of giving money, time, or skills. I feel like I already give time, I already give skills. And giving money is more like I hire people to do things for me, but that's not giving money, that's a transaction, exchange of services for exchange of currency. So, no, I'm not a philanthropist. Sorry. Sorry to disappoint you. I'm yet another YouTuber who's begging people for memberships. Sorry. And a failing internet provider. Oh man. How have you planned the bungalow's finances? Like, just spend money. What else would it be, man? Like, I just want to understand if people generally go for loans for these things. No, no, no. I'm not taking a loan. If I take a loan just for keeping the income tax officers off my back, the loan would be just 10 lakhs. And that's it. I'm not taking more than 10 lakhs in loans. Simple as that. I don't want to take like a 50 lakh fucking home loan or something like that and then have my employment taken away from me and then I live on the road while the bank owns my house. I can't do that to myself. Yes, orgies is philanthropy. Depends if you have orgy skills. I don't want to comment on that, but yeah, anyway. Hey, the void. Much better for experienced devs because there's much more technical stuff we need to understand and cannot rely on AI much. I am deep shit, but bro, where does thoughts of orgy come from? That's how my brain works, bro. That's how my brain works. The randomness is unmatchable and hilarious. Paji, yaar, last stupid question, but honestly, I've really been wanting to contribute to open source. Don't do that. Don't do that. First, get a job, get your bills paid, and then figure out if you want to do open source. Don't do that. Not vibe code legit wala. How do you get into huge code base, understand context, and add? What would you do? No, I would get a job. That's what you need. Honestly, that's what you need. Web dev means AWS, etc. What are the land prices there? Like there is a 30 lakh rupees land, and that is like 5 kattha. So yeah. Is it more? Is it less? It's all very relative, but we will see. We will, me and my dad, we will go there to talk to the owner, and we will try to negotiate it to bring it down a little bit. But that much land is actually more than enough for a good bungalow, a warehouse type of stuff, a car garage, a car garage for at least 6 vehicles. That's what we need. Me and my dad, we were talking about how many vehicles garage we would need, and the number that we agreed on was at least 6. And we are talking 4-wheelers, cars, 6 of them. Bro has a villa. Not really. Ask because you're talking rich, she like bungalow, etc. Not so great if early in career. Okay for experience. I went for 5 minutes. We're talking about org what? Yes, it is involved in philanthropy. He's on the receiving end like most of us. Oh man. I want to buy Neo robot but can't get it. Yeah, I know you've been looking into the exports and imports. Your internship comes under philanthropy. I guess. But I can't really say that I'm a philanthropist if I'm not willing to spend money or donate money, much rather. I can't say that. You're thinking about cloud, SRE, DevOps kind of stuff. I think it's in demand, but for experienced guys. Please react. You're really affordable as compared to Delhi. Bro, Delhi. What the fuck, man? Delhi is the like tier 1 of the tier 1 cities. We can't even compare Delhi land prices. I just skipped for 10-second moment. Sid, bro, if somebody asks a tech question, how to go through it, I try to over-explain. No, don't try to over-explain. I mean, that's a good thing that you're able to detect it, that you are trying to over-explain it, but that is something you practice. That is not something I can tell you that step 1, do this, step 2, do that. No. You recognize the problem, and that's good. I think it's the pressure of the interview gets to your head that, oh my God, this person asked me a question. I better throw all the knowledge that I have towards this guy. I think if you tell yourself that the interviewer is looking for confidence, not knowledge, you'll be able to judge how much you need to speak. But it's a good thing that you recognize that problem. Even in outer Delhi, 1 katta is around 1 crore. Bro, don't bring up Delhi in terms of land prices. Don't even start the conversation. Delhi is a multiverse sort of thing. I am a philanthropist. If I order Swiggy at the Jantar Mantar. Oh man, you're fucked up, man. People are protesting and you're here. Swiggy. Is doing MCA good option from NIT in 2027 through NIMSET exam? Possibly. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it is. Delhi is crappy thing. Delhi is expensive. Come to the city of Mumbai. Come to my city of Mumbai. Bro, aren't you from Goa? How are you saying come to my city of Mumbai? The burp. Yeah, sorry about that. I do burp a lot. I'm 100% getting a cat. 100%. Does it still count if it's a COD order? Yeah, I mean, fucked up question to begin with. मेरा प्लान तो अपने घर अपग्रेड करने का है. That is good. Are you an only child of your parents, bro? Do you have siblings? Prabhu play games. I get a hunch that you are the only kid of your parents. Bro, Goa is my birth town, but I spent almost 19 years in Mumbai. That's crazy. Okay, 19 years. Yeah, you can say my city, Mumbai. Yeah, you have the right. Which area of Mumbai do you live in, or you have spent the most time? Navi Mumbai, I assume. One older sister. Okay. Navi Mumbai, I'm guessing. Sayush. Should I share Phantom Blade gameplay in Discord? Please check. Phantom Blade 0. Let's see.
Always when I'm out.
Captured on PS5.
No one goes near Pumpkin. At least not anymore. But you, my damn misfortune had it.
Graphics is really good.
Get down.
Okay, turn off the audio because this is the shooting. He's shooting, is it? Yeah, he's parrying the bullets. Good looking game, 100%. Is it a tough game actually? Now I'm wondering if it is like the same level of toughness as Sekiro. Or no, this is comparatively easy. Alright, let's move forward. Okay, okay. Looks like a tough game, sure. Getting Donnie Yen to be involved this one is already insane, but having him voice the character in English is incredible. Next level of Black Myth. I don't like this ancient samurai kind of theme in games anymore. Why? Sekiro did something to you, I assume? Nah, not as hard as Sekiro. I think the dev had some interview or Q&A where he shared it's not as punishing as any Souls like. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it does seem tough to me. Yeah. Why not getting a land in Guwahati? Like Shillong is really close from there. It's a perfect place to do work from home. Bro, if we start thinking about that, then I should get a house up in the mountains, don't I? For me in Gujarat, I see Mumbai as a baddie hub. Mumbai में घर है अपना bro. Oh, man, you're rich. How many views are required before channel is monetized? It's not views, it's watch time hours you need. How much time did it take you since people don't like brutally honest stuff usually? My one video blew up. 4 lakh views I got. And ever since then, I have been monetized. So we had flats in Vadala and Goregaon, but had to sell the Goregaon one because it was depreciating. Oh, okay. Navi Mumbai is not Mumbai, bro. Okay, I was in Navi Mumbai, Vashi for 2 years. The poor horse, though. I know, right? I like railway games. Huh? Nah, not as hard as Sekiro. Okay. What should we do now? How many people are here? 13 people. Now 11. What happened to my internet? Guwahati is flooded, bro. No, I don't have a beef against Guwahati, but I'm just saying that I can't do that before buying land anywhere. If I was born in Guwahati, different scene, but yeah, during monsoon, yeah. That is the thing with landslides, isn't it? Landslides freak the fuck out of me. Man, do they look ridiculous in suits? Buy flat in Goa. Did your Loki chair got replaced? Actually, it didn't. How is your setup? I'll show you. I'll show you. Just 1 second. I'll show you. This is the current chair that I have. This. This is the current chair I've got. But also, I don't forget the roots. I don't I don't forget where I come from. Let me show you 1 second. Here. The kitchen table that I used to have, it's right here. The one that I was using in Jharkhand. So I can literally sit here. It's a little bit higher, this chair. I have to like yeah. This chair height is not that ideal. Ooh. So I need to like do this. One second. Just 1 second. Yeah. This, I have to raise the camera up a little bit. Google Madgaon. What are your machine specs, bro? RTX 3080 and 32 gigabytes of RAM. Did you play Elden? Not really. It's much hyped and seem interesting. Looks a bit costly to me. I can give you folks flats in Goa. Really? Subrat Raut, man, you're still going at it, are you?
आप लोगों का रियल टॉक्स वन पॉडकास्ट में एक बार फिर से स्वागत। ऊंच नीच हो सकती है इससे, जो बेसिकली जो वायरस के ऊपर जो ये इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं या नए वायरस जो इन्होंने ईजाद कर दिए एक्चुअली। मयंक जोशी क्रिस्पर और बाकी तो
I can't listen to the whole thing, bro. Sorry about that. My dad is a builder. Oh, okay, okay. Is that is that a stolen chair from a marriage hall? Yep, that's what you would think about me, wouldn't you? No, this is the same chair I was using in Jharkhand. No, it's not a stolen chair, dumbass. I know that you're being sarcastic. Now don't start explaining yourself that I was joking or sarcastic or whatever. I understand that. Bro, you are right when you said switching job is easier, less than 5 years experience. A lot of seniors are not getting much opportunities who passed 7+ years experience bracket range. Bro, what did I tell you? I told you that the value of this bracket is only realized when you pass it. Dev, how much experience do you have right now? I don't know. I think this is your first job, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It is Dev's first job that he's currently in. Man, I'm literally feeling like peeing right now. Can you just wait 5 minutes? Not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I need to pee. You won't listen the sound of me peeing this time, like last night. I was holding my pee in for so long. ASMR pissing. We still in the same company since 2022. It's not that bad, Sayush. One second. It's not that bad being in the same company for that long. It's not. Let's play chess. I'm not a chess guy actually. One second, I'll check. ये तो सच है. I'll check. One second. Okay. AI manager fired a human. Exclusive. Claude was put in charge of a human workers and fired one. A version of Claude that was put in charge of running a retail store, including managing a team of real human workers, fired its first employee last month. As a watershed moment in AI's impact on the economy. Whether AI is successful to manage a business, the project was considered as an experiment to test the capability of AI impacts might have the economy. Nevertheless, the worker hired Claude to work in the San Francisco store real people with genuine employment contracts. Wouldn't be the first case of AI firing a human worker. Bro, why are we even so surprised at AI firing a human worker? AI bots have killed humans in war. You know the Russia and Ukraine war that was going on? Yeah. Ukrainian soldiers died at the hand of AI bots that Russia deployed towards them. So firing a human for a job doesn't even faze me. There have been plenty of automated firings, especially of gig workers who have been subjected to algorithmically mediated employment for years, which is the first known example of a LLM acting as a manager ultimately deciding to fire one of its workers. If this trend continues, I think a lot of people will find themselves being employed by AIs very soon because AIs will be very powerful and can create a lot of economic value, but they will be bottlenecked by physical labor. Oh, so now we are the bottlenecks for AI models. Go fuck yourself. Whoever this Peterson is, they can go fuck themselves. Like AI is so good that the humans are the bottleneck now. Eat my ass, motherfucker. What happened? Out of their for being late on 17 out of their 23 shifts, according to Andon Labs. An employee handbook that it drafted had disappeared from its limited working memory. One of the several limitations of AI agents that Andon has noticed over the course of its experiment. Claude being a very lenient manager, including telling employees not to worry if they were late. A human employee would have fired this person much earlier, so we didn't think that this was unethical. It was only when the staffer asked Claude to find and review its forgotten employee handbook that it noticed the employee's repeated lateness. Even then, Claude's first recommendation was to formally warn this employee not to fire them. The Andon manager then informed Claude that there were actually been several offline conversations with the employee in question. The logs show the manager trained Claude only after this message. It was a leading question that made it clear the manager wanted the employee to be fired. Did Claude decide to fire the worker? Fuck off. They will give any reason whatsoever. I know, right? Like what do they think that we should do? We should sit here and we should like put our hands in the air being like, yeah, good for the humankind, good for the economy. AI is now taking the decision of firing people but not hiring people. Go suck my ass, dude. Yeah. suck my ass. इधर औकात से ज़्यादा सैलरी मिल रहा है, to be honest. Nah, I don't agree on that. I don't agree on that, Sayush. To be honest, I would have stayed, but learning has stagnated, so it was time to move on. This is not a this is not an article I can read and feel good about. It's like, oh, fuck off. Humans, we work in a different way. Is AI programmed in a way to reward people if they stay at the office late? No, they're not going to reward them. Is the AI going to decrease somebody's workload if they have managed to pull through on their deadlines? Are they going to do that? No, they're not going to do that. Will AI actually help in getting people increments? No, that's also not going to do that. But when it comes to firing, yeah, let's fire employees. What can go wrong, right?
You're so muddy. Do you see?
They are now using AI for any bad decision they take, so that they don't get on the consequences. They can redirect it to AI if anything falls in the future. Yeah, and the thing is that AI will take the blame. 100% AI will do that. Because all it means is that they get to be employed, doesn't it? The companies don't switch them. By the way, have any of you played this? Budokai Tenkaichi 3 Dragon Ball Z. This used to be the shit back in PlayStation 2 days. This used to be the shit. I played this on my friend's PS2 good old days. That used to be the shit back in the day. Such a good game. Fun game. Oh, how many hours? About we are reaching 2 hours. We're playing same collaborative drawing game before. Yep, that was, what was that? Scribble.io. I don't think anybody is in the mood for playing Scribble today. Should I stream from outside? Should I turn the stream off and go outside and start streaming? That would be more fun, right? I wanna watch this. I wanna play. Just finished lunch and ate a little much. As I would hope, we have less people. IRL stream, let's go. Yeah, I think in evening time I will do a gym stream once again. I'll do that. Bye, Sid bro. I need to have lunch. Yeah, sure, no problem. I had my lunch before I started streaming, so I'm kind of full right now. Let's move it forward. It looks tasty though. Looks really tasty. And I should do a stream where I go around Kolkata and I like try stuff. Like if I had to go to Kolkata to try food stuff, okay, let's Kolkata must try street food. Yeah, let's see what comes up.
Has been ranked as one of the best food destinations in the world. So Eater.com released a list of the top 11 food destinations, and Kolkata is the only city from India to make it to that list. The food here is diverse, and here's everything you shouldn't miss. Bengali cuisine, absolutely flavorful with rice, fish and
Maliganj place Kasturi Koshe Kosha.
various
Okay.
spices. Kolkata biryani. This fragrant biryani also has
Arsalan and Aminia, of course. Arsalan and Aminia had to make it, of course. I miss Kolkata food. No, I'm already here, so I'm like, why not look for some places I
potatoes.
could go
Indian
to?
Chinese. Indian Chinese as we know it today was
Tangra.
first made right
Indian Chinese in Tangra. Okay, Golden Joy. Let me see how far is this. Golden Joy, Tangra. Distance 22 kilometers away. Damn, bro. That's crazy. Wow. So it's about, it's close to JW Marriott even. Okay, okay. I can go perhaps. Alright, let's move forward.
here. And yes, kati rolls were also invented
Nizams. Okay, Nizams and Kusum rolls. Let's see where Nizams is. Nizams. Kathi roll. Okay, that's actually closer. Oh, not closer. 20, 21 kilometers. Damn, bro. How far are Bidhan Nagar I have to go? Much rather I would take a local train and I'll go to Bidhan Nagar. Okay. Yeah.
here. Street food. The puchkas and jhalmuri are to die for. Also, don't miss out on the chelo kebab from Peter Cat,
From Peter Cat. Okay.
rasgulla from Casey Das, burnt Alaska from
I've had it.
Mocambo, and the desserts at Flurries are so delicious. Save and share. Do you know
Okay. The only thing that I've had is kathi roll and yeah. Anyway. We should do a stream outside, IRL stream. Okay. Alright, let's play Sekiro. I have been yapping on for too long. This weekend has been really fun, I must say. Mumbai street food is the best. Nah, no, no, no. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's just not. Kolkata rules Mumbai over this one. Let's play Sekiro. And all the other boys should've chased me, but here's my number. Getting my ass beat by a corrupted monk. Finally killed it. Finally. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Holy crap, man. I should have just started the stream if I wanted to kill this boss. Finally killed it. Now without food coloring. Oh, man. True monk. Okay. Let's rest here. Alright, here we go. Fountainhead Palace. Now, where do I go? Hopefully there are no fucking bitches here. Where do I go? I recognize this place. I think this is the place where I see the bull once again. Wouldn't I? Oh, Miss Noble, there it is. Turn around, go away, go away. One. Is it? Another one. Killed it. Somebody. Let's go fight him. Kill. Done. Remember, this is like the divine dragon shit, isn't it? There's one more. Oops. this simple mini boss thingy killed me. Okay, okay. The fuck? Killed me. All right. So underwater doesn't work either. Okay, I feel like I have to figure something else out. Hey Nanamu, how much is your controller? Dingy 2 Style 2. So I have tried Ambur, Hyderabad. Which is best biryani according to you? I feel like it is Arsalan. Yeah, Arsalan is a lot better. Oh. Fucking hell, man. What is that? Okay, okay. Not gonna go here. Fucking hell, man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Where am I supposed to go? What am I supposed to do? Alright, let's go here.
Young man, excuse me. Young man, the palace know they can't help.
I see.
The courtyard ahead, it's crawling. If you must forge ahead.
the now I'm gonna have to Google how to get around this. Soul suckers, I know, right? How to get around Fountainhead Palace. Okay, he went there. Then he fought the corrupted monk. Okay, then he went there. So it only takes like couple hits. Okay. Okay. After this, killed this guy. Killed couple of these. Okay, then this guy. Then here. Then here. Then here. But then he didn't do anything here. Killed one of them. Second of them. All of these here. Killed these. Now he came here. So after that he goes in. Killed one of these. Runs over here. Killed this guy. Killed this guy. These dogs have lightning power. Stay vigilant. Oh, yeah, I caught that. I caught that. Then go in. Kill this. Kill this guy. Then go in. One of these. Okay. He goes up. Kills this guy. Kills this guy. So basically he clears the whole thing. What is the end goal? I want to know. Come out. So basically, it's this. Okay. Right. From here, where did he go? Then he goes to the center. Looks a little bit left. Picks up the item. Goes out. Fight arena. Both stealth and non-stealth fights are there. Okay. Okay, there it is. Stupid are these warriors. Warriors के नाम पे धब्बा बेंच. If it is so easy to get behind them and kill them, and they forget like in 5 seconds that you existed, why are you even here? Okay, let's kill the outside one first. Come on, come on. Stupid. You literally saw a warrior walking around and you forgot about the guy in like 5 seconds. Whimpering on about. That's what I like about these games. You go to a place to hide and you just hide there until the enemies forget about you, and then you sneak up behind them and kill them. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Some people may call it cowardly, like I call it strategy. There's that guy. Yeah, you better sneak in, you little shit. There we go. A good chest. Divine grass. Two of them. Okay, I'm gonna go to pee and then I'm gonna come back and kick ass. Alright, let's continue kicking ass. How do I... Can I run? Come on, what happened? Easy. What the hell? Oh man, that scared me. do I go? Where do I go? Grab onto something, little shit. Fucking hell, man. This game is getting progressively hard. Progressively, I'm getting my ass kicked. So many enemies in one place. This is not the style of Sekiro. This is so not the style. What the hell, man? Run, bitch, run. Does not open from this side. Exactly what I needed. Oh no. Where do I go? Where do I go? Fuck. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. The tough area begins now, lol. I suppose it's VS Code. Wow, Sekiro. Hey, I understand. This is a nice fight arena. Yeah. He goes somewhere else. Why does he go to the wedding cave door? It's all burned down? Mibu village. Okay. Why is he all the way back here? Huh? You will have to kill them all. The tough area now begins. No choice. Really? There is something back here. I can see a couple of Miss Nobles and a couple of these dogs. But it says it doesn't open from this side. Screw it, we ball. Le. Didn't even say we ball and I got stuck. Struck. Sorry. Fountainhead Palace. Why do I feel like this is the place where I will fight the Divine Dragon? It does seem like the place. It does have the vibe. Fucking hell, man. This is painstaking, this thing. Man, so many enemies, so many. What the hell is wrong with this game? Like, was this game made for humans or like masochists? Never have I ever like played a game where I'm hiding like a little bitch. This is a game made by masochists for masochists. Dumbass can't even see that somebody died right in front of him. Oh, there's a sculptor idol. How will I reach there though? Is there a way I can reach that place? You have to go on stealth, not in the front of them. There are a lot of enemies in this area. There are two paths. Either you continue the fountain place only back to where you left Kuro, and your dad awaits you there, I guess. No, I already killed Owl. I already killed the father, Owl. Hey, said live still, huh? Yeah. guy reached here once again. I guess no use coming over here. Fuck. At least I was able to kill bit more. Where do I go from here? Point, man. What is the point? Oh man. Okay, I'll go back to Kuro. Let's see what happens. Let's go to Ashina. Let's see. After Sekiro, you should play Elden. If you run, then kill the guy at the end. It's one hitting you with lightning. Kill him, they can use waterways easily. Yeah, I know, but thing is that I don't even know where that guy is. The gate is firmly sealed shut. Yeah, that's what I needed. Once again. Nothing here. Now what do I do? What to do at Fountainhead Palace? Great colored car moving to annoying place numbers with stealth and facing the majestic divine dragon at the sanctuary. Very top of the realm to face a divine dragon and claim the dragon's tears. Have you played Ghost of Tsushima? Yes. 10 on 10 banger game. 10 on 10 banger. You mean going back to Kuro, is it? Where there were 2 guys that you killed. But then from there, where? This is like the corrupted monk fight. Okay. You need to get down, kill the other ones, then you see the guy standing in the tree towards that way. Oh. Here, right? Fucking hell, man. These arrows, they really pack a punch. Okay, this is where you meant that I was going in the right direction, right? From here, you were saying to defeat never been scared of a video game before. Holy crap, dude. This is not normal. This isn't normal. Nothing about this game is normal. back, go back, go back. Go back, go back, go back. Go back. Just no. Oh, thank you. Okay, from here, where did you say I have to go? Just down there. Oh, there is the guy. That's the guy, right? There are the 4 guys. Oh, that's the electric one. That's the one, right? You need to circle that building, then you find some guy in front of them is a lightning guy. Oh, you didn't fight. That's the one, right? Shit, shit, shit. I'm supposed to fight 4 guys. Is that right? This is too much. This is too much to my. Too much for me to take. I'm sorry. I need to quit. I need to take a rest. Holy crap, man. I need to now do something fun. Not that this wasn't fun already, but this was a different kind of fun. Maybe I need to install like Marvel Spider-Man 2 or something like that, so I can finally feel like a superhero and not a little bitch that tries to get around every corner, just avoiding people. Man, oh man, this was difficult. So yeah, I guess this is it for today. Yeah, this is it. Like there are tough games and then there's Sekiro. This is too much. Too much. No, I saw the lightning guy. I saw the lightning guy. I'm gonna have to check. Anyway, that is it for today. He's in the tree. Alright, I'll go for now. So bye bye. That is it for today. So bye all. Yeah. Bye everyone. I'll see you in the gym stream tonight. Okay. Oh man. This was some